I mean by this? Is it really better in those particular team colors? Is this the best underdog run of all time? I would say every journey has its own special value, and this Cape Verde World Cup run in 2026 is going to leave a truly special mark on the streets of football's fans everywhere. It has already carved out a unique place for itself in the hearts of every football lover. Cape Verde in 26 will be, and I categorically say this, that will be remembered as a team that never truly lost in 90 minutes. A team that stood tall against the Spain, the Uruguay, Saudi Arabia, and even Argentina, the defending champions. So Argentina came into this one unbeaten in the group stage, with Messi already having scored 6 goals in the World Cup and cheering through teams at will. They were one of the heavy favorites, one of the strongest contenders for the title again. And yet, Cape Verde almost knocked them out, not just by defending the total, but by attacking them, by showing the courage and by believing in themselves all throughout 90 minutes. What Cape Verde showed is simple but very very powerful. You may be a small nation and your footballing history may be relatively new, but if you have the right system, the right discipline, the determination, and the passion, then no matter how big the opponent is in front of you, you can compete with them, you can challenge them, you can almost beat them. And this is one of the greatest knockout stage matches I've ever seen in FIFA World Cup history. Honestly, I have not seen a better round of 32 knockout game than this. We keep thinking after every big match then that nothing bigger can happen, and then something even bigger does. After Germany versus Paraguay, people said nothing could top that, and then Senegal versus Belgium happened, and after Senegal versus Belgium, we thought that was the peak, and then Croatia versus Portugal came along, and after Croatia versus Portugal, the expectation was simple, that the Argentina versus Cape Verde should be a routine win for Argentina. At most, Argentina would win by 1 or 2 goals because Cape Verde is clearly a strong defensive side. But if you look at all the round of 32 matches, whether in terms of the odds or the gap in rankings, this was probably the biggest mismatch on paper. And still, this game outdid itself. It came more dramatic, more intense, and more memorable than Croatia versus Portugal. It gave us the action, the tension, and a beautiful underdog story of these humans that emerged because of the Cape Verde's performance. Of course, Messi has now broken the assist record because the all-time leader in assists reached 20 World Cup goals and added another goal and a brilliant assist today. But today is not about Messi. Today is about Cape Verde. Cape Verde did not just, I would say, troubled the Argentina. They kind of exposed them, and that is why I would call this a result a shameful win for the Argentina. We often, talk about shameful losses, but this was a shameful win.